If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
This movie, I need you guys to watch it from the beginning to the end. It is very interesting, and I know you guys gonna love it. Oh my God. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your family to tell another family. You understand? I saw the thing grow and I saw it set. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. No disrespectful word. Thank you.
Yes, Miss Beryl. So we are here again once more. Give thanks. I must say, I must first commend you, as I did the last time. Your place is impeccable. I love the look of your place, and this is very good. The condition that you're in, keeping a place like this, it will definitely help you to improve.
You talk about my son, sir? Or you talk about the place? Which one? Right now, me think you come to see me this time to tell me about my son. Me tired to talk to you about it. And right now, me no know what to do. Alright, I know me no understand how I know me no get no closure about my son.
I totally agree with you, Miss Beryl. I've spoken to the sergeant that is in charge of the case from NIB, and I was expressing the same, you know. I think it's been a while now, and the case need to, come to a closure now. So
You know, so you don't understand how me I feel.
I do, Miss Beryl. What you think?
You really don't know me they feel. No. You ever have any child die?
No, Miss Beryl.
None of your picnic them never did yet.
and
Me
I
not
wish
even
not.
know if you have no kids.
I do.
Me one son. You can imagine. Every time I contact you, I see him thing. Me go to police station, I see him thing. Nobody not tell me nothing. Me want to know who kill me son.
But you see, one of the main reason why I am here, right, is to let you express yourself.
God.
As we spoke about emotional intelligence the last time, we tend not to, we Jamaicans, we tend not to educate ourselves as to the emotion that we have and how to label them.
Right now,
So
we
right
don't
now-
understand. It better than kill me instead of my son. Why they do that? Who do it?
I
And no can't find out. Me no business if you're police, lawyer, doctor, me no care. Me just want know. What my son do? My son a good son. Are the best son that in the whole world.
I understand. I totally agree with your
He
expression.
ain't no wrongdoing. So me no understand him no criminal. Me send my son go to school and come out with much subject. And then catch bad man and kill my son. Because what? Jealousy.
All right, Miss Beryl, while I can understand all your grief, and that's the reason why I'm trying to, allow you to express your emotions. So question, Miss Beryl, what is it that you have been doing, from
Let me tell you something. No disrespect.
right?
Me know you are my therapist. And you come if you come check out my brain. But let me tell you something. You say if I anything you talk pertaining to my son, me don't want to hear nobody ask me. Because right now, me grieve.
I understand. I truly understand.
Me grieve.
But you see, the thing about it, while I can understand your rage and all your emotions, you notice I allow you to express how you feel. However, I have to. This is why I'm here to help you, right? All is not lost. Trust me. It might seem that way, but all is not lost. Trust me. I've had patients that gave up on life, and wanted to die, and it was the same counseling session that we're having here that helped them. So now I am saying to you, I want you to do some stuff for me, Miss Beryl. That's the reason why I was asking, what have you been doing? What sort of activities were you engaging in from the last time we spoke?
Sit down and fret over my son. I'm not go get back my son, so I have to think about my son.
Exactly. That's the thing that I don't want you to do, Miss Beryl. In order to get over this, right? One of the key things that you need to do is to find yourself around others that can help you. Talk to persons who you trust. Miss Beryl, you know that if you take a walk, like for example from here to the shop, you know that it releases dopamine within your brain? Yes, it does. It does something to your brain. So Miss Beryl, I'm gonna beg you, trust me. Don't do this to yourself. You're a beautiful woman. I know that you're suffering from a major loss, which is your son. However, you can't allow yourself to go down like this too. You have to stand up. Because I'm sure if your son were here, he wouldn't like to see you in this position. Oh, I'm sorry. Right? You may feel as if all is gone, all is lost. However, hold on. Oh my gosh. Time is really against me now. Miss Beryl, I have to go now. I have to go. We'll pick up on this next week in the other session, right? Same time, same place, right? And Miss Beryl, trust me, for a person that is going through this turmoil, trust me, you're doing pretty well. Your place, trust me, it's really, really nice. It's very, very nice. Keep it up, right? Miss Beryl, I have to go. And I'm going to ensure I help you to get over this, right? Okay, take it easy now, Miss Beryl.
Mommy, I go for auntie now.
Oh, you never met me know say you go come out of the yard. Me never know say you go.
My mommy must have tell her yesterday, so I will go for auntie because she just come back from her friend. So tell me say she get one new shoes and one new bag for me.
Alright. Me really did talk something about go somewhere. Me never really did concentrate on it. But anyway.
Yeah, but thanks to your new phone, I really like I buy one case it when I go up on the road.
No problem. You're welcome. You know me, you're my son. And I love you so much.
I love you too, man. Don't worry yourself.
Yes.
But I'm not gonna stay too long, man. Me call you when me reach.
Make sure you don't stay too long on the road, you know, because it's pure foolishness are going on the road, you know.
How are yourself?
All right. Be careful.
Daddy, where you going when you let them people them so fast over that? I bills them?
Everything good, man.
Me ask you for the bills them that everything no good. You know you can't lie. Let me see the paper.
Everything good, man.
Are the bills them come? Daddy, you know you can't talk to me, so me ask you for the bills them.
Yeah, man, I do same.
So what we going to do now? You know, say one time when we do things is much better.
You are fault. You not say that, man. You are fault person, you say that. Because you know the situation go with me and your mother.
But daddy, if you and me was together, we would have worked together and everything, the bills me that gas, school and everything. You really make mommy left it for your white man, you not even try to fight for her or nothing. Me kinda blame you because you know this did go happen, daddy.
I'm going to fight with somebody. We're not even a fight for me. If she gone a foreign, you ever see she take up the phone one time and call you? I saw them thing there, woman. Life is a balance. See balance here. She over here, so me over here, so. Two away after I make the direct step them for reach and I make like for reach I top. Alright, say for instance, me I go run go hug her up. Two away I drop off. Nah work.
Well, that when me answer that exactly. Me glad you get it. That the point me answer about. Want to co-parent. Want to that. Why only can't sit down and talk? Even if we don't want to be together. Try to co-parent so that things can better. Because you can't do it by yourself. Me not even go to school that you know feel like people gonna recognize me not go to school.
I'm gonna work up her money. I'm gonna work up her money, you know. Me I try my best to do my part. You get me? You say co-parents, me I try my best to do my part. Me I try to pay the bills them, even if you're not going to school right now. But you know, sister that mash me up. Where your mother do mash me up, you know. Right now I look at gardening me I do. Me that my good work. You see me? Where she never enough for work neither. You get me?
But daddy, are you take up drinking, you know?
Me not say your belly full all the time, you know. But talk the truth, you know, eat food.
Me eat daddy, I'm appreciate say you try.
Where say look while?
Me appreciate
No,
you.
where say look while?
What me say?
You say something about rum.
Because you drink up a rum
I
and
know me
make
buy the
people
rum them have me a drink.
lose your work.
Me some could have buy rum. I'm want pay the bill them.
Daddy, you know sir because you that drink up a rum they make you lose your work. Cause you was
Your
so
mother
stressed.
do a shadow gone. Then me start drink the rum then.
So you act like a lie.
I never used to drink no rum. She be gone before that. Anyway, no worry yourself, man. Things are gonna get better. I promise you that. You see me? And I like say me I corrupt against someone, you know. Me just show you it all as how it is. No worry yourself, man. Everything will go better. Me go stand up on my foot. Just watch me, I tell you. You hear me say?
Alright, daddy, me gonna leave it to you, make you figure it out. But just know say me love you and don't take this to the extent where you go drink again. So
Oh man, I'm good now, man.
everything go alright.
Yo, where you go?
What you mean by where me I go?
Where you go?
You never believe when me tell you say me I left you, don't? Me have to left.
So me not treat you good. Where all this coming?
Me want better. You say can't hold me. Me want better. Me find out me there work and me find one white man and the white man a take me over. Me can't manage just so.
You can't. Remember say two we have you together, you know.
Hello, you.
We have a child together.
That not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing to do with me. So me you have one pitney me fi stay with you in a poverty. And that you want me to do? Eh?
You not suffer. Me no rich, but you have me give you what you want. You have a little washing machine around there, so you have gas, you have cook pan. What more you want?
Me want more than that. More. There's more to life than just washing machine or something. If you up on the beach and you get this opportunity and you just
No. Me and beach, no. You know seminar this like that already.
and a disrespect is better meant me want for me and my child. And if me when me get through, me can file for you and everything,
Things soon start turn for me. Things are gonna get better. You know much people left from Jamaica go foreign. And when them go over there, them figure out them relationship out here. Better men come, better relationship. It come like a Bluetooth. Fire go far, different connection. If you think good, man.
Now mix me with other people. May I tell you something? Once me good, you and my picnic have to good. Me can't stay here, so.
I expect me to do now. Hold on, pie and boss, say, baby. Sorry.
So what go on, daddy?
Yeah, dog.
How you do that, man?
Let's see how going.
I'm there, I'm general. I say, what you do that, man?
Nobody there.
You know, some members say, well, I'm going to sell black milk, brother.
Brother, escape, man, escape, brother. Yo, so you know remember a thing when I asked if you did it for me?
That I did what again?
I asked if you check where my woman live, brother.
Oh, you know, say, brother, me no find out which part you live, you know.
Oh, you
But me and me can know this. But what you know, me can get a phone still and a number. So you can reach her or something. But me never find out where she live.
brother, a long time man, the pan run in a youth, man, foot all hot them, you know.
General, me sorry, you know, you can't go stay here, so you know. Because you're so hot with police and blow soldier. So you have to dip on the run. So just hold this. And just do what you have to do. Your number, everything in it.
So yo, you know, no strap.
If you get that feel like a prison you come from, what you mean? You're a fool. You don't see how the road they run. But you're hot.
Yeah, man.
So you don't have to worry yourself. You give you something and you go and defend yourself and you go and do what you have to do. You see me?
Yeah, man, do it fast.
Because you we are top thief, no man. So you know what you have to do.
You mean?
Worry your brain.
Go call this a girl that you know. Joke thing it.
You want just go and have this luck.
You wanna say alright, man.
And do the right thing because you're so hot. Move on.
Yeah.
Nobody tarry. Me not the money can give you.
That good, man.
Alright, do what you have to
Yo,
do. See?
nobody says to me.
Move on.
Call this a girl and Joe. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello?
Did I hear me?
Yeah, me hear who this?
It means I would say, I know my voice. I'm Max.
Yeah.
You know, hear me and say, I'm Max this.
Yeah, me hear you.
I am man, Mad Max. You need to sound like you're happy to hear from man, you know.
Alright, you are going now. Why not so much in a jail again? I'm come out, you know.
So how you get my number?
Now, I know you ask no football question. Now, you are going. I have been now, we have ways of getting a number. But that's why I know some more to prison. And anyway, you did make a fine, you know. I want to make you know, say, you can't just make me go to prison. Witness against me. You mean I say you tell police you know to tell them say I feel like they could have moved and me not fire for the day. So matter of fact, me not do about all that against you, but just want to know you know say yo, they go want you back, you know.
More know which part you live, you know, which part you live. You mean you can't tell me where you live? Joke thing you take me thing for.
Yeah, go let me owe you something. I don't owe you nothing, Max, and don't call up my phone.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see, before in a week, man, I find out which part you live. Just remember me tell you this here. Don't ramp with me. You know how long man in a prison?
Don't call back my phone.
I think this a girl a really hang up on me. You alright. It's Cliff here, so you, my man run and come like all sweating a man, Cliff, you. Most fine, eh?
Yo, what you got on foot?
Cause of my phone, I can't hang up my phone if I want to hang up my phone. You call my phone and threaten me.
When I check, when I check you, when I check you, I just must have come back from. So I'm not one ever. You do your set me up. So, you what? When I have a long start, that's why I don't say. So I'll find you anyway there. Alright?
The girl and answer phone back now. Brother. The girl a ramp with me. You don't know who me be. You don't know say I'm Mad Max this man. Me find him anywhere in there, no man.
Yeah, auntie, me so rich. Yeah, man, me the right icon. Me
Yo.
so rich, man.
Yo.
Me so call back.
I mean, you know.
Me so call back. Yeah, man, walk on.
Yeah, man, look bad though.
Yeah, man, I want a new phone, them now.
I see it.
Yeah, you can. I want a 13 Pro Max, them.
Go the penny.
Yeah, man. But I can't put my phone in my pocket, brother. Pass my phone, man.
What do you mean? Me can't put it in my pocket. That for me this now, brother.
Brother, me don't want no argument with you. Just
You
pass
don't
my
know
phone.
maybe. Yo, eat up yourself. Matter of fact, don't see my face.
Yo, man, me not see your face.
Babes, not too tired now. Come here.
What do you mean by you're not too tired?
Man, I'm tired right now. Get your phone, you know.
What do you mean by you get more new phone? This
You
not
say you
even
want a new phone. What do you
Who
mean?
for picture this?
Don't worry about that. Me just get a new phone because you say I always want one of them phone. I want to.
No,
Yo,
me no
what
want.
the phone?
Where you get this from?
What-
Don't do
what the
not
phone?
put it to the man. Which part
Yo,
you
me say,
even go?
what
You
the
come
phone
here in
in
the
your
ears.
hand? What the phone in your hand? I'm telling you, man. What the
Max,
phone?
what kind of foolishness this? This not even. Who for picture upon the phone, Max? Who for picture this?
And I'm bridging them. Don't worry about that. Watch out. Why you like this?
What you mean?
What?
What you mean?
Yeah, I'm ready there. I want to. You know, love me.
Cut me out of this. Me not lock nothing. Max, me not lock nothing.
Be just listen to me now.
You listen to me. Why you make things reach so far and why you act so jittery?
Something go on. I go just move for a while. Listen me.
And you want me to lock that why?
But now nobody not go pray like that.
So you can't hide it some why you want me to lock it?
Because I know say it a go wait there front of you have it. What I'm telling you. Where they going?
No.
What you mean?
Why you act like you're upon drugs?
Stop playing with me, no, brother. Yo. Just lock your gun for me there. Yo. Stop ramping me.
Max, stop
ramping
this.
What happened? What
And me if you ask you what happened, why you change, why you do this?
We can't tarry and you they hold up my time. Just hold the gun.
No, Max, just listen to me. Why you do this to me? I put my life at risk to you know. And you alone I get hurt, you know. And then you gotta tell me go feel like this.
You know. Why you stop go out?
Wait, you want to take care of me?
Me I go take care of you.
Oh, you work?
Eh?
Are you working?
No need for work. Me can anything you want, me can get that. Stop trying to calm me down, no man. Yo, hold the gun. Hold the gun. I'm more you lock that. You may tell him.
Yeah.
Even.
Even. Mm-mm. You alright?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my alright.
You sure?
My alright, man. Why you not going to school?
Don't worry about that. I know that we talk about. But overhear your conversation on your phone and...
After 9, how you not going to school? Why you?
Why you worry about me?
Because of that, I feel worry about you for always go to school and try to be on time all the time.
Yeah. Another matter I want to talk to you about. We are going to leave that for another time, but me I talk to you why somebody up on the phone and checking you.
Young girl, you know you're a child, right? Even if me you want somebody to talk to and tell. By the way, you know anybody that threaten me.
You
And
can't
like
tell
me
me
say,
things, you know,
if
because even though I'm small, I know enough things. You can't tell
me I go sit and tell you things, you are a child.
Yeah, tell me what me hear.
You no worry about that. Do not worry about that. Everything good.
Alright. Me
School you forgot.
you know that. You know what me hear, you know, some of them know why she tell me say, nobody not treat me around phone. Daddy. You say, let's have come over here and my earpiece or something. I have to draw one pants and go and tell you this. Even though I'm not working, but sorry, I have to tell you this. I say, I'm up here now, I sit down in the pan, I say, where the explosion they come from, when I go down there, I say, you know Jade, the girl who live on the apartment, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me hear up on the phone like somebody a chatting her, I say, you know, you there know, and you know, you like somebody a chatting if you come for you. So me, me a fast ear, you see if me can't hear no more. So I go down there talk to her and she a play it off like me no hear what me hear. What can I go so?
Wait, and you come on my workplace, come tell me that.
But me
Wait,
would
come
do
out of people in business.
no.
That if you do, yeah?
Oh, why you know,
No, come out of...
it sound like something going on in apartments and I have to tell you, suppose somebody may not come back and see me.
I look at me, go on where you go, come out of people in... You say you put John pants to come wait on yourself to tell me that.
So what you did want for the daddy, may I tell you?
You don't have nothing better to do.
Anyways, because you know what I hear. Mommy, you hear from me?
No. No, you're not going to hear from your mother, you know. You're not going to hear from him. It just out of league, you know. You still understand still. When you get bigger, you will understand. But go on off road.
You soon come?
Yeah, man, I still coming. I try to make some food as for you eat. Go on off road.
Later.
Make sure you come off road.
Bye.
Hello, Jutta, come here. Come here. Good day, you can have a seat. I need to talk to you. Jutta, you're supposed to know say your rent overdue. 3-month rent you owe. You understand? And I don't understand the reason why me I look for you and me can't find you. Me go up on the whole building and search you. Everybody said they will see you come in and I go. That means you're working. You are working. So why you did not bring my rent to me?
No say, to be honest, me have some money problem. We just get one look work. Just
Yeah?
start
You just get one more?
We just get one work.
You just get a work.
Mm-hmm. And
Oh.
me I go through some things from where they, man. Not really easy, you see me?
All of us are going through stuff in real life. So I do not understand. If you are going through difficulties, you didn't even have the mind to come to me and say, as your landlord said to me that certain things not working out the right way or you wanted it to work out, so you are asking me to give you some time. You don't even say nothing.
No, but by them time when me come and ask you, I work, me I look, me never get no work yet. I'm busy, I look your work. Me sure come ask, me sure come tell you yes.
Jutta, look at me. 3 months already gone, and this month is coming in. And those 3 months, that means I go 4 months you offer.
Now I go through some stress from where there, man.
What is your problem? You can't explain.
Me I divorce and woman gone foreign left me and one bag of stress me I go through. You see me alone over there with the pit now. So Kind of hard for me still, you see.
You divorced? That's what you're saying? You are divorced and your wife went back overseas? So, what's the problem? You just move on. That's what you need to do.
That me I try to do, you know. See me recuperate up and see me can move on. As soon as you get some money, man.
How long am I going to have to wait on you for you to give me some money and the rent that you owed? You understand?
Just give me about 4 days.
I'm not being harsh with you.
Just give me about 4 days.
But you know I have to do stuff and I need the money. All right. I'm going to be calm because I do understand your situation, that you're going through difficulties and we all have feelings and we do go through stuff in real life. But I'm going to give you some time for you to sort out yourself and provide the money to me as soon as possible. Okay? You just told me that you get a job. That means you're going to get money soon. Right?
Yes, Miss Berry.
I know you're not going to have all of it at the same time, but I will give you time to take a little time and pay for it. Because I myself even going through some stuff too. You understand? My son just lost his life in some gang thing. So, me understand the feelings. Me understand where I go through. Thank you. Right now, me stress out, but me try to overcome the stress. Me can make what already done. Come back round. We're gone. You understand? But I am not going to live in the past because it will affect my present. So what I need you to do is try hard to gain some strength and overcome your divorce thing that you have been through. You understand? Yes. Anyway, next time, you know you are going to owe your rent. When you clear up them month here, you make me aware of it. You understand me? At least me know I wouldn't see you and they call you. Because if I was the type of person who if insult you, me start curse you from me see you come down there so me start cuss you out.
Next time I check you, man. As I made tell you, say, show me kind of busy out the work, but probably the next time not even a day. You see me? But I just work it out the right way. So, me see you then. Thanks, yeah.
Listen. What I need you to remember is my name. My name is Beryl.
Yes, Miss
I
Beryl.
can be very calm and I can be very rough at times. So just take care of yourself and just go and save up the money, and when you're ready, you just bring it to me.
Yes, Miss Beryl.
Yes.
Good evening, Miss Beryl.
Good evening. Where's your father?
He's not here. How may I assist you?
I need to see your father to talk to him. So whenever time he come, just tell him that I need to talk to him. But you can give him this for me, please.
What's this?
No. You don't need to go inside this. This is for your father. You need to give it to him. Okay?
Okay, so is anything we can tell him?
Yeah, just tell him that I need to talk to him. I do not have to give you the message. I need to see him personally. A matter of fact, why you're not going to school? I noticed from the other day that you're not going to school.
Yeah. I don't say me don't want to go to school, but father I got through a little situation right now and him just had the one look over because you know him losing work when did that originally do say him do some look of farming and it not really work out for him, so he can't manage to pay bills and say him go to school, so he might try work up something.
So the problem is money?
Yeah, I guess it's money. It's have to be money because he would have me at home not going to school, so it's all about
The sure
money.
is not you?
No, it's him.
Or him?
Him, the money not really right, so he might try to figure out some stuff.
Okay, so it's not you is the problem then.
Mm.
All right. If your father don't get you with any money, you could come and check me. I could give you some money to go to school. But your father is going to have to give it to me back.
Okay, I'll definitely talk to him about that and see what his 2 points on that.
Okay, I can give you 1 week money for free, but the rest of time, he's going to have to pay me back, right?
Okay.
But do not say anything about this, right?
Yeah.
Just give him the message. When he
Okay.
come to me, I'll talk to him about the money at his school.
All right, yeah.
Okay.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too.
Own this may concern. You have gotten complaint that you have not been paying your rent for over 3 months now. What? We're giving you until next week. What are they going to get? But why? Father God, are you alone can help me right now? Still not understand this. Oh, that you going to pay this by next week?
What do you read?
No, no, you got to take that, you know. It's a notice.
Where you get this from? Where you get this from? Where you get this from?
Miss Beryl give me she did outside away upon me just a while ago. Be upon you exact, figure it.
So where you read it for?
That do you mean when me read it? Me was concerned to why Miss Beryl give you one letter. So me no must have to read it. Me I go just take anything, so?
You see, anytime no letter come in here, don't read them. Just hand them over to me. Here? Me deal with it.
Okay, anyways. When me did out there talk to her, she question me ask me why me not go to school. Yeah, feel like, because why should I ask me that? Me tell the people go recognize that me not go to school. So she has said to me, say, she can't offer me some money for go to school for what she can't send me to school for 1 week straight without you have to pay her, and then the rest of the time then she go lend the money and you have to pay her back.
Me don't want Miss Beryl lend me no money. Me don't want no money from Miss Beryl. Matter of fact, I'm go talk to her. Miss Beryl. Miss Beryl.
Come in. Hello. Hi.
Yeah, what? Yeah.
You can come inside. You
Me
want to
no, me
talk?
no want to come inside. You
Okay.
say you give me some time. I send Warren come give me. You give me data it.
I did
My
not.
data.
So that is the reason why you come to me and talking to me in this aggressive way? Yes, I
Yeah.
said I was going to give you time. And the time almost passed.
So where you bring your pitney in our business for?
She's a big girl. She's not a baby. You understand? And a matter of fact, I did not give her a warrant to give to you because we are not going to be in the court. I give her a notice.
Say me have to come and pay the rent, yes. But me already done talk about it already.
Yes.
And you say I'll give me some ample time. Like you did sorry for me.
I feel for listen. I feel sorry for even myself. Yes, I sorry for you. But listen, you see this building here? It's a lot of money I take to do this. And no help was there to help me. I do this by myself. And I need my tenant to pay all the money that they owe me. You understand? Everybody else bring in theirs. You don't. And I notice you're passing, you're going, you're coming, and you're acting like you don't even acknowledge that I'm sitting on my veranda, or you don't know that I'm inside to call me and say whatever to me. You just pass by like I'm nothing. I'm the wind and I don't exist. Listen to me now, Jutta. Me are your landlord. You are my tenant. And yes, when you owe me, you need to pay me.
I'm
Because
not that type of person. I know
no,
that.
listen.
You know my situation. Come explain it to you.
Yes, I do know. We all have situations.
So you tough.
No, listen. Remember, my name is Beryl. I'm not a soft person when it comes on to my money. This is business. And if it is not fair, Jutta, if I give you time all the time when you're not paying your rent to come and pay me and you're still not bringing it, eh? The rest of tenant, if they heard about
Just
this,
hear me I say.
it's
Hear me
gonna
I say, Miss
cost.
Beryl. Hear me I say. Me go make you get some money.
It is not fair
Listen me.
for the rest of tenant.
Listen me. You know say these things these things make the people them now have no manners, unruly and move so with big people, you know.
What do you mean?
Me are in a business, and you carry business, go give Pitney in her hand, the child. If you read, you must expect to shall read it. Listen me, Miss Beryl. May I make you have some money, yeah? May I make you have some money, man?
You know what? Sometime we landlord need to check out some of no tenant background.
I'm gonna make you have some
If you
money.
know work, or if you know not working, or how many kids you know have. Cause all you know do is carry no picnic and come destroy people place.
Even ma'am.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Even ma'am. You alone in this building?
Yes. Why?
Okay. Are you the helper or a tenant?
I'm not just only a tenant. Okay? I'm the landlord for this building.
Oh, good, good. I'm the sorry my bad manners. Did I say good evening?
Yes.
I'm Detective Goldberg.
That's okay. You don't have to shake my hand. How can I help you, sir?
I'm doing an investigation on a convict called Maxwell. Grand. My name know my last name, but his name Maxwell. Him otherwise called Maxwell.
Can you come around here, please? Because I don't want to squash you with the girl. Please come around so you can talk to me here.
Miss.
Thank you. Maxwell?
Yes, them otherwise call him Mad Max.
Mad Max.
Yes.
Well, for your information, these premises don't have anyone live here by the name of Maxwell.
Let me explain. The reason why I find myself here on this apartment ground today, I have done some investigation around the area of Springfield, and I found out him have some connection with a tenant here.
Here.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. This
Her
place.
name is Jessica Fasca-Woods.
Huh?
Jessica Fasca-Woods.
Well,
So I don't know if you're harboring a fugitive here.
no.
If you're harboring any.
Let me pull up this door because I don't understand why you're staring inside like that. You're talking about somebody by the name of Jessica Fasca,
Yes.
and they call her Oates sometime?
So why you close the door, miss?
No, that's not your business. You're talking about somebody else, sir. I'm not being rude, but yes, I have a tenant.
You want me to get a warrant and search your apartment?
Well, you
You
can do so.
harbor somebody
I
here?
have a tenant who live here by the name of Jessica. I do not know if it's the right person that you're talking, I am talking, but the one that I am talking about, she's not here.
They
She's
know
not
me
here.
directly, me I thought.
How can you prove that I definitely know who you're
You
talking
know
about?
Mad Max?
No, I don't know him. And by just listening or hearing about that name, I would never
Where
indulge
do you live?
such a person on my premises. Where do I live? I just told you.
So you never hear Mad Max?
Excuse me,
You
sir.
never hear about Mad Max 1 year?
Are
I'm mad
you
you are like badness.
forcing down words in my throat that I knew
Don't,
Mad
don't.
Max?
I would never do that. I'm not forcing anything down your throat. Don't you dare say that. I'm just asking you some questions, so just comply with me. Alright?
Listen, as far as I'm concerned, I'm not being rude to you. I need you to listen to me. If you're going to ask me a question, you need to address me properly.
Yes?
First of all, I do not know this person that you call Mad Max. And a matter of fact, the way how you sound, sir, oh my God, I would never invite such a person on this premises.
Please calm down, alright? If you're harboring any criminal here on this property, I'm just asking you, please comply with the police. If you know, let me talk. If you know anybody by the name of Mad Max, he is a armed and dangerous criminal, and he's also a killer. So if you have him round you, any around you, anywhere here, me not say you have him here, no. Just assume.
I don't have a criminal that do bad, harm and
He is
danger,
a killer.
seriously
So
activity.
you put your life in a danger
My life?
if you have him here. Right? Or if Jessica have him
No
here.
criminal activity cannot go on this
In front
compound.
of them room, Jessica, you know.
I don't think I have the rights to give out information like that.
Okay.
I can't do that. And
Well,
she's not here, as I told you before.
just want understand, say, you say, You don't know
Sir, what's
nobody
your name
name
again? Did you tell me your name before?
Goldburn.
Goldburn. You'd never told me your name.
Told
Okay.
you my name before you put
Mr.
the girl.
Goldburn. I forgot. Because you're saying so many things.
Anyways, may I go up the road there?
Are you sure about what you just said to me?
Miss, I don't care go around and give people misinformation, alright? I'm a detective, I do my work good.
But as far as I'm concerned, Mr. Goldburn or whatever you call yourself, to me, it seems like you're not sure of what you're saying to me because you're if and butting. And whenever time you're doing a job, you have to make sure of what you're saying to people.
You get a warrant and search this apartment.
I have no
because
problem.
You just give me a guilty
I
look.
don't have a problem. Get your warrant and come. And you know what, sir? I need you to stop force things down people's throat.
Oh, don't say that. From me come here, just talk about force thing down throat. Somebody have force something down your throat.
That's what you're trying to do.
If somebody have force something down your throat, come down to the station.
You know what? Take your lead, sir.
Take my number.
What's your number?
804-5738. Call me. If you say Mad Max
804-5438.
or Jessica Fresca Woods, yeah? There's a detective Goldburn sent to come down.
Yes, I told you a million times. She's not here, but as soon as
Alright.
yeah, I will let you know.
And don't you dare say anybody come and don't talk about no force down your throat. That's bad manners.
Seems like you want to force something down my throat, but it won't work today. Miss Jessica? Miss Foster?
Good morning.
Morning. Can I come inside?
Yeah.
Jessica, a policeman just came here and asking me about you.
A what?
A policeman came here and asking me about you.
Wednesday.
He was talking about this man that involved in some wrongdoing named Max. I think they want him. He's wanted. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, and I'm
Yes.
familiar with
And
the information.
the police gave me your name. But because I know that you're a quiet person, I didn't give him any information about you. So I don't know how you involved in such a culprit like that.
Well, honestly, me and him used to have a relationship, but like things get out of hand.
When you said relationship, what
Yeah.
type of relationship? Like,
You know.
Jesus. I was so shocked when I saw the police came inside here. I don't want any animosity on my compound. So I'm so scared and I'm shocked because I have other tenants here and I don't want any one of them to get involved in this. What is the problem?
I don't know because in call me. Alright, so like me I say we did in our relationship and break off things and him go jail. And then like me get one random call they say
Okay.
break out.
Miss Foster, Oates, if you don't mind, don't say I'm being inquisitive in your life. How you end up being in such a relationship with this idiot? You don't know that they would come and look for you?
Well, Miss Beryl, to be honest, you know, when I first met him, he was not like that. You know, him come from a good family and everything until after I find out him a live two life. Him a kill people, him a steal, them a go pan ice, them a do all sorts of things. And it reached to a point where me have to testify against him.
Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jessica, I knew you as a quiet person and you end up with oh, Jesus Christ. Such a person like that, I don't even want to say because I don't want you to get upset. You were involved with him. That's the point. No police came by me to look for you, to ask you questions. What are you going to do about this? So you think that idiot will come here to you?
You don't know me there?
Eh?
Me there far from which part we do live.
Listen, Jessica. Since as this killer is so skeptic of going around and doing wrong things, huh? Even police looking for him and they can't catch him. You don't think he will ask question where you live and come and find you?
Well, Miss Burl, to be honest, with them, not a lot of people know this, but I'm actually in a witness protection.
You're in what?
Witness protection, me safe
You're in
from me then.
witness protection? Then that you should have tell me, man, Miss Foster. You should have tell me that long time from it just start the conversation. So why you make me constantly prolonging this thing and think we are in trouble?
We have to say, see, how far the conversation.
But you're good man, everything, you're alright, man. No worry yourself, man. Go and sweep out your place and you go back downstairs. No worry yourself. Everything good. God is in control. You're okay. Don't worry about it. So later.
Listen, the reason why I come here today, you know, I feel like say your man, Max, involved in a robbery, a murder. I mean, know you must know because you and him close. We sleep together. So what's going on? Any information for me? We just can carry in and bring him in.
Well, I'm not gonna say yes, I'm not gonna say no. What I can say is my familiar with majority of what you just say. But oh, I can help you.
Listen me, you see if you can give me full evidence of him, you don't have to fret.
I don't think I can do that.
No, listen me. I can bring him to the witness protection. He can't touch you, he can't see you. You're safe. We just want to bring in that boy. We need to clean up the street.
So what the procedure?
I will take you into the witness protection. So listen, all you have to do, testify against him. You see me? You must find out. You must know when you have all like bloody clothes them, or any gun, any bullets, spent shell, anything, dust, anything. When we can carry in and make sure you don't come back out. Want him rotten behind bar.
Oh, just me just open me now. Yeah, me just open.
Jane there.
Virgin, you just see me open your place and you come out. But how you dress up?
Eh? Ah, Halloween costume, man. Just get it from the tailor, you know.
Oh, well, G already off today. She not, oh yeah, Virgin already off. She not there today.
Yeah.
She not work today.
What she there?
Let me know what she there.
Yeah.
Me don't know what she there exactly, but I mean,
I know where she there.
oh,
I wish she live.
yeah, what to her?
Eh?
Yeah, what to her?
I'm my cousin, you know.
Are your cousin?
Yeah, man, showing me the Halloween costume on my office.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, man. Take.
Alright, she up on a new scheme up, so just go and see one big purple gate. She live up on the new scheme up there, so. Zin?
Alright, then. Respect him.
Yeah, man.
So you say you look good.
Boy, you look like a prisoner to I tell you, you know, mistake. Boy, you could have fooled me, man. You look like all one thief, you know, prisoner and thief.
No, sir.
Alright, so I go still.
Respect
Alright, do
me.
anything. Boy, on the young people, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Hello? Jay? Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Sorry, you what now? Well, I'm running a little problem, you know. Yeah, but you have to go do me a favor. I have to go give you back today, but you have to go come in today. Me have something very important to go and plus more and talk to you upon it again. So, sorry for whatever it is, but you know you're there and so forth and your plan say you go stay home and do what you do, but we need you to come in. Yes. Alright, yeah man, me know say, yeah man, thank you. Just come in. Alright. Yeah, soon. Alright, cool.
Morning.
Whoa, yeah man, right on time. Thank you very much. Alright, you're welcome. The thing is that me have to go down a tax office, which is important. You know, I have to go pay shop license and stuff, and thing and so forth. So that me have to go deal with today. You understand?
Alright.
And so forth. So me need the help. And, oh, yes, I will me the one talk to you about. What? My brother come in and one jumpsuit, say some carnival, they call it Halloween sitting in my make and I don't know my argument and him say him and my cousin.
Cousin?
Yeah, man, one dark youth and him shy. You know, kind of ugly still. You know, such a myself a really cousin. But
He have ear on the head? And he like about this tall?
yeah, man. Yeah, him one little yellow jumpsuit, say Halloween or some teen I come from him a try and
What kind of jumpsuit?
you don't know all the prisoners sitting there, man, the little, yeah.
He have ear on the head like he have
Yeah,
And him
man,
dark skin?
yeah, ugly piece of youth. But me say him a come check you up at your yard.
Yeah,
or
man,
something,
I'm a
so.
cousin fit up on my yard.
Yeah, man, I tell him up I wish I to find it. But him say you are my cousin.
Up on my yard. You tell him. Oh, you tell my cousin. Okay.
Yeah, man. So.
Me not go can't bother cover to the camera. Like how my cousin gone up there, me have to go up there, so me I go. Yeah, me hope you understand. You can't just take it out of my PA.
But you say you come?
No, but you my cousin gone up there.
Jesus,
so,
please, man.
boss, it just. Me we call and make you know how it go. Me come tomorrow.
But we see all of the things them here. Oi, well, Jesus, please, well, hey, see all of the something, them, man. Yo.
Hey, miss. Good evening. Don't run, man. I police.
Why police them me on?
Good evening.
Me in trouble?
What's the rush? Oh, yeah, move so fast.
Because me get one call, so me have done something more sort out quick.
No, the owner of your apartment never tell us me they ask you.
Yeah, so somebody tell me something, but me can't talk to you right now. You have to go check one. Come at me, give me number.
So where you move? Something happen?
Me can't tell you what happened.
Somebody
you can't
threaten
protect
you?
me?
Yeah, we can put you in a witness protection.
I'm already in a witness protection and this not work.
No,
Then
this
threaten my
witness
life.
protection will protect you. No need to move, man. Stay on place. You know, I'm not even bother call nobody. I know everything we are going. Right? I know say you want to live from here so because I run from Mad Max. You probably hear say I ask only year of you, right?
Yes, you understand why I have to leave now.
You understand, so me I go protect you, right? Me I go use it as a bait.
You gonna use me as what?
I don't really like you go.
Yeah, I gonna put my life at risk.
No danger. You never seen I movie it? You always come out safe. So nothing gonna happen to you, right? We just want to get Mad Max off the road because you see if you on the road, everybody at risk. Understand? I know say you want him come off the road, right? So if you come off the road, you happy, me happy.
Yeah,
me
sure,
go on
so
home to my
can't
family.
catch him.
Yeah? Come me have sleepless nights with this boy I run up and down. So you agree?
No, me not know what to say. If you could keep him in jail and go catch him now, the man upon the loose and not catch him.
This time when him go in is a death penalty.
But only go catch him. I tell him to use me as
come
bait. You put me right in my hand.
Nothing's gonna happen to you. Me out that's me a park. So as in come and so me just come out so bam, catch him. You're happy.
What your name again?
Officer Goldberg.
Okay.
Just calm down yourself, man.
Alright, I'm go try. Cause I can't keep on running from him.
Boy, that's a nice girl like you get yourself with Mad Max.
He never did stay in the first place.
He just
changed
mad out
over
for you. Take me number. So as in
Me do,
come if me even drop asleep in the bus, you send me a please call me or something. So me just get up. You just sit, do that.
So don't
take me number.
work hard. Me not have my phone, I left my phone at work.
Just shout out Goldberg. Yeah?
Okay.
Alright, just stay inside, don't come out none tall. If you get out the hand, we can't save you.
Jay?
Evening. Come here. Me not have time, me have things to do.
You can't tell me, so me not hear nothing now.
Excuse me?
Me hear everything, so you can't head on from me. But anyways, me not want to things like eavesdrop me and for a fast. It just happened that my always did when things happen. See, you can't tell me no because me hear everything.
Tell you what exactly, what you talking about?
Why you still up here, fool?
Listen to me, I appreciate the concern, but there's not much to tell. And if you say it here, what me need to tell you if you hear it?
You done everything here, say me is a kid and me need to stay in my zone. You know you want to go through stuff now. My mother left me. And maybe me I go through it. But me don't know why you keep on at the night you need help. By the way, you want somebody to talk to? Because you want somebody to talk to.
What go on with you?
You gonna make me talk?
Alright. You eat already?
Yeah, me just eat.
Make go cook some food. You want to come over we can talk about it?
Okay, why not?
Oi. Wow.
Mm-mm.
I miss you. Yo, look for me now.
Leave her alone.
How are you? Yo, where you going, so? Look for me. When I miss me. Talk to me now. Talk to...
No.
What do you mean you don't miss me? Tell us
Why you come here?
in a big place of your turn. That's why you don't want me come here. And in a prison you come and look for me. Eh? Yeah, man, yeah?
That have nothing to do
What do you
with
mean
it.
that not nothing to me? Eh? To you.
Me not have no money here. That
I'm
have
thinking
done.
about that. Man, there's no... Dude. Man, escape, you know, man. I tell you this, man, they are back. I tell you, me and you for day now this. Yo. You know, say, set me up to you, know. I still love you. What?
No.
Talk up now, man.
No.
You know when me not there on you're loud, you know.
Go over.
What? Who you call? Who you call?
Don't
she there
hurt
right
me.
there, so?
Go over and help
Go,
me.
so. Go, so. Hey, boy, Mad Max, don't move.
You know, so I'm glad say nobody never get hurt though. But me not understand. Why she got take up them the kind of man they?
You say she and the money there already, you know.
Huh?
I say she and the money there already, you know.
She and him did they already.
Mm-hmm.
So then they break up and get back together or what? How
We'll
it go?
never get back together. Find him, find her.
I don't understand. Because all of this when me come see a go on pa my premises, yeah. It look like the whole of who as tenant never read the contract before you sign it. Me no want no war in my place. You understand me? But me glad say it never get worse than this. Thank God for the police them at Jamaica. They was right on time to go lock up the whole culprit. You understand me?
Real.
Anyway, well, thank God it over and done. And all of we went there to cooperate
Give
and
one
help the
strength.
girl.
No, yeah, that's strength. That's true, man.
Yes. Thank God. Anyway,
Wow, yeah.
what I want to talk to you about again is me apologize for everything when I said to you the other way in a that kind of way. Me think me did a behave in a aggressive way. Afterward, me go inside when I walk off, me think about it. So I'm apologizing to you right now. I am so sorry. And I understand your situation where you did go through. You're divorced, plus you don't have no money for send your daughter to school. You're not working and at that time you just get a job. So me understand. So don't worry about it.
Thanks, man. I'm sorry too. I'm sorry when I don't go all the time that way. I think so we really like got through one thing for true, you know. Mm. Sorry, man. My behavior never did so clean too. You understand?
Anyway, the other day when me give your daughter the notice, me did talk to her about her school thing. And she explained and tell me everything. But I'm going to help you for free for 1 week. Me go give you some money for 1 week where you not have to give me back. But I lend me, I go lend you the rest. So me I look back for what me I lend you. What me give you or what me give you. You understand?
I understand.
Because she young and she need to go to school. Don't make any sense she sit down a yard and not do nothing. Look how more she go get pregnant for you in there. You understand me? Okay, so anyway, me did on my way out, you know, when me see you, so me can give you some money.
You will say everything, huh?
No worry about that, you know, say, me not like how some people stay. People like who no love fast in a people business. Me I lend you some money, I
Do
go
it,
talk
do
about
it.
for US pound or whatever. Just take this and send her back to school. To, that
Thanks,
towards
Miss
her
Berry. Thanks,
bag,
Miss Berry.
shoes, and her school fee. And can pay her taxi fare go to school and buy something give her for eat. But you see this one me I give you right now, you have to give me it back. I lend you this. Me give you that, but me I lend you this. You understand what I just say?
Yes, Miss Berry.
Okay. So Help out yourself. I'm sorry about your divorce and everything.
Girl, can't
Can't
believe
believe
say.
it.
Everything just happened so fast and well, I'm grateful for the little time we spent together, but I'm really gonna miss you.
I don't want to talk about this. I'm gonna miss it too. Like this the hard for me actually make the decision and actually I go leave. Like the closer the day gets, the more I feel it.
Girl,
You
you
know?
can't make Max make you run like this. You can't run for the rest of your life, you know.
I not run. We just want a different start. Like this bring back too much memories. Like even right so I stand up, it give more headache. You have to understand.
I just want to see you go and be safe and everything. As long as you're safe, push by you there, you're comfortable, you're gonna be alright. Even though I'm gonna miss you, much really get more time, but I appreciate the little time together.
I got miss it too. All of them time when I come up on the stairs and I say, you used to irritate me. And I say, why did the girl watching me? No. We're so close. And I also want to tell her to focus on school. Don't make your mother situation stress you. Because I know how much you mean to you. And I know your father have your back. So you're going to be okay.
Everything go alright. I just take things at a time.
It's going to be alright. I will call you, okay?
Alright, later.
At the beginning, if you miss the part that we said at the beginning, say we offer photo and videography service. If you don't need a good photographer and a good videographer, link us up. We not only do movies, we do weddings, we do funerals, we do music video. You name it. Anything we have to do with video and picture, we do it. If a live stream, we cover that. You see me? So just link us up and we can provide a service there for you and make it the extra special. We've been a post movie, we've been a put out movie. You know what I say? We don't stop, non-stop posting brand new content with a pack full pack storyline. We continuously put out content. You see me? So to make sure so to continue to do the right thing, share up the video them. You know, just put them on your Facebook, put them on your WhatsApp status. Just copy the link and share them up so people can continue to watch it and it can grow. You see me? I have seen a massive improvement in the subscriber, in the views. I have seen where it is getting back to the place that we want it to go, and we can't do it without Uno. So continue to do the right thing, show no support by sharing, and if you don't want to contribute to what we are do, link us up because every dollar count. You know what I understand? It really takes money to really do what we are do. You see me? I said there is no sugar coating on it. It really takes money and a lot of effort, and sometimes it get overbearing and depressing because we don't have the money if we do what we really want to do. But link us up and help us to get the thing to the next level. I just start write a series because I want to definitely shoot it by the end of the year. I do one season, 10 episode, 45 minutes each in length. That's the new vision we may have for going down to the end of the year. So big up on yourself, continue to show support while we continue to do the right thing, which is making content. And if you are in the western region, which is Westmoreland, and you're interested in acting, link us up, because it's sometimes easier when we get persons who they are Westmoreland for in the movie. Then it costs less, we don't have to worry about for put up a person, find accommodation. Them can just boom jump on a drive, come shoot and go back home. So that's the whole aim. So big up on yourself, continue to show support while we continue to do what we are doing. Alright? Big up. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack to the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective. You want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. See him Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, him can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right?
Today.
Where I say? Where I say? Nothing. I want to listen. So you're going to say twice. Prestige still a fear for your life. No, Miss Berry. The only reason police know somebody got something because we name the panic. You witness. You witness. Yeah. You tell him. Give it to No, Miss Berry. I am perfectly safe. The reason right now, me living here is witness protection.
I don't want any animosity out on my. Let me say it over. You know, no man try to say about me and animosity. We did kill a boy, me and talking about me and chat foolishness. Let me say it over.
Really?
Mm-hmm. All right.
He was not always a criminal. He was a nice, decent guy, loving and all. And but things were kind of just get out of control and he do some things, kill one or two somebody.
Yeah.
And have to testify against him. Yes. Then Johnny, when he tell that, he said, Jesus Christ! We take him
So,
no.
oh,
I'm ready.
One at a time, there's a message.
Jutam.
What's the rush? Why you move so fast?
Me can't stay right here, so.
You move slide right here.
What do you talk about? What's the rush? I didn't know say, what's the rush? Like if I'm moving in slow motion or something.
No, if you just say what's the rush?
Come here, so. Yeah, I said, talk about that, that's slow motion.
Actually, yeah. What's the rush? Why you move so fast?
Yeah, right now, Javi. And action.
What's the rush?
You can't do this so much.
Yo, be like, what's the rush? What's the listen to cast? I'll be happy to leave.
What's the rush? Why you
I
move so
can't
fast?
steer your office of my life in a danger.
Nearly dangerous.
I didn't know the TikTok. Yeah, so I can't say certain things. I can't like puppy bone and sister man.
Come in. Ready?
You hear me say?
it's a cause problem. It is not fair.
No,
for
me
you
gonna make you get
owe
some
me every time. And the rest of 10 of them bring in for them money.
Can't send me to leave back, you know, me?
Yeah, me know.
Ready?
You never go to Miss Beryl.
Yeah, you are upset because she gave your daughter a paper.
Yeah.
Where she is?
So what? No.
Good man, so I tell us now, say, listen man, I don't tell you pull inside, you know. One day you understand. You know how you from here, man. So don't make your choice right, you know how you from. But then you...
Oh, um,
So you gotta ask him again, Jason, if our orange jumpsuit in there.
ask him that.
Yeah, man, because you have to understand, say, escape convict. And I
I'm go start back with have ear pan your head.
Yeah. I'm in the hurry, boss. Look, boss, we can't, man, I don't work today, you know. We can't take you out on the testament.
You all no say so you all look like all one thief.
Yeah, respect.
Yeah, man.
Go back.
Wait, so that sound good?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Ready again?
Response, catch you
So
back.
you can...
Say boy like all one thief.
Yeah, man. Just start right this one. Ready?
Well, man.
Action.
Let's see him. Yeah.
Or yourself, but remember my name. Mm-hmm.
So yes.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, you can't say.
You say last?
You just said to us, yeah, tell her thanks, and I say, miss you.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
And action.
I want to say, get the warrant and for answer him say, and as a police, you must learn to stop posting down people's throat.
Yes.
See that's what you're actually
Yeah,
trying to do.
yes.
You sound very high.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you sound very high like you're supposed to be.
Yeah.
You say, you know what, ma'am? I'm going to go on the road and stop talking about it.
Chut.
I feel like you like that, you know.
Until Jessica.
Yeah.
Ready? I'll tell you now.
And you know, give me a number. Oh,
Yeah.
when you go, when you're done chatting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Get your warrant and come.
Yeah, I'll get a warrant and search.
I have no problem with that.
Well, Lord, tell you, ma'am, I'm not forcing you to your throat.
Don't feel.
Thank you.
Alright, so here's the thing, don't forget. Chatting, so ma'am, I want you to calm down and don't be aggressive. Listen. Well, listen, Javi, give me close up and do that. No, give me close up, she. Yeah, man. Things all get better. So here we are continue upon that, you know. You know how much woman miss it, man or woman miss his girlfriend, so they married and they won't file for them money. And when they reach over their relationship start, this a relationship done with them.
Yeah.
You understand? Ready now? Ready?
Yeah.
And action.
I'm not gonna say yes, I'm not gonna say no.
May I laugh? Nobody only smile.
Yeah.
Take a smile.
Yes, me a laugh. I'm not say yes, I'm not say no.
Show me, and I guarantee you're safe.
I know yourself, you now come out here.
Woman, I make me get dark and corrupt, you know. You know, you make me get dark and corrupt, you know, man.
Look how your boss a go. Yeah.
You understand? Tell him, say, you make me get dark and corrupt, you know, woman. Right. I laugh. Steps. Why you laugh, Jesus Christ?
Please God, me can't wait nobody. You see, that dead me I go dead.
No, alright.
So bad, man. He said, well, please, Go back again.